This is Golu, also called Langru, who is my favorite wild bird. He enjoys almonds and you'll notice that he eats them with his right hand. Over time, he has got into a number of fights. Well, he was quite the ringleader in his heyday. However, these fights also result in injuries, with him having ended up getting most of his toes amputated. You can see he is struggling, but he'll manage. No disability will stop this guy from winning. This is what I like the most about him. His I will never give up spirit. I just love him so much.